Mathina maria magomeire gavana muthagathagia wa kaunti ya Kiambu Waititu ni mehiriirie umuthi thutha wa mbunge ya Senate gwikia kura kuhitukia mateta make megie kuhagurwo gwake ni mbunge ya kaunti ya Kiambu magathikiririo ni mbunge yothe. Ndereti ino itafanirio hindi ya giikaro kia mwanya kiria kiretitwo ni speaker wa mbunge ino Ken Lusaka. Ndereti iria icungiriirie Ndugamano kwiyumiria gatagati ka atongoria a kiama kia Jubilee, aingi ao makionekana kuya mirugamo ngurani igie njira iria ibatie kuhuthika kuhagura gavana Waititu.
Sittings, and once I gazette it, we will reconvene then. As for now, the House stands adjourned.
Ikinya ria umuthi ria mbunge ino ya Senate rirituhite ithabu ria gavana Waititu makiria kuona riu arabatara muigana wa maseneta 24 gwikia kura kumuhonokia kuma kuhagurwo kuma giti-ini giake.
But every senator who went to school, who did not go to school, who studied architecture, engineering, who studied law, who studied whichever course, is qualified, Mr. Speaker, to preside over process of accountability of governance in this country. And therefore, those who are speaking around and saying, oh, you know, I should have preferred so and not the other one. When we meet in this house, Mr. Speaker, there is no Jubilee, there is no NASA.
As the senator is, let us vote, Mr. Speaker. Once we vote on the motion that is on the floor, Mr. Speaker, it can be said that it is by resolution and by vote that that decision was taken, Mr. Speaker. And that way, the people of Kiambu would say that we got justice.
Waititu ahagurirwo ni mbunge ya kaunti ya Kiambu muthia wa mwaka muhituku agikuirwo huthiri muru wa mbeca cia muingi undu umwe na huthiri muru wa wabici yake ta gavana. Iguru ria kuhagurwo ni mbunge ya kaunti ya Kiambu, Waititu akoretwo aking'etherwo ni cira igoti-ini wigie ungumania wa muigana wa ciringi makiria ma milioni 500, cira uria wa mucungiriirie gwikio nja ya wabici. Giribotera Kameme TV, ritwa rakwa ni Wanjiru wa Foro.